Maraming nagsasabi na ikaw daw ay beauty queen material. Would you consider joining Binibining Pilipinas or Miss Universe sa mga future na pangyayari?
Mama Jay, that's one of the dreams na hindi ko pa po nagagawa na for the longest time I wanted to join po talaga. Pero ang hirap sa takbo kasi ng buhay ko ngayon, parang wala pa po akong opportunity to really take the time to properly train, to build my advocacy, and ang pagiging beauty queen po talaga, hindi lang talaga siya beauty. Mas tinitingnan po ang brains ngayon. So, it's such a big responsibility, and if I'm going to join, I want to be fully present. Like, ayoko yung, okay, I'll join pageantry while still juggling this career. Parang, I have to wait for this one to kalma muna. Parang, susulitin ko muna siya, syempre. So, if God will open that door for me, then why not?
At saka nakita namin, parang may